Hello from the most southernmost beach in Gothenburg and in Västra Götaland region. This is Nordreviken, a very nice rocky beach with actually one diving board and also one nice jetty with diving board in the water, in the sea. It's quite scenic beach. And it's actually right between Nordreviken, that's located behind that hill over there, and on the other side of the hill we have Långsås, Södra Långsåsen and Norra Långsåsen also, that I will be exploring later. And it is 31st of May, and I'm so happy that the sun made an entrance, because it was a bit more cloudy earlier today, but still rain is on the forecast. And I'm here all alone on this beautiful beach on this Friday, and we have 22 degrees Celsius in the air right now and 17 degrees Celsius in the water I just measured. And I already jumped, if you can see that my hair is wet. I already jumped as I was doing a dance short for Europapa, so I used this board, but I'm gonna be also jumping again now for this video, because why not? This is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I'm showing you different hidden treasures in Sweden and the rest of the world. I have arrived today to Gothenburg this morning. My train was at 6:18 in the morning, and I arrived exactly at 9:30 in Gothenburg Central Station. Then I bought the 3-day ticket for the local transport, because I will be traveling with lots of boats and buses and trams and so on. And I took all the way to the southernmost point of the region, Västra Götaland, and also the county of Gothenburg. And previously I was in Kungsbacka, which is a different municipality and different region. It was very interesting, at least for me, because in Stockholm, I am usually in Stockholm because Stockholm is very huge. You need to travel for about more than an hour in order to reach another region. But there are many municipalities within Stockholm that I have been switching around. Cool, all right, then let's embrace and let's redo the jump from this jumping board. That's very interesting, and the sea water is amazing. I mean, this is obviously the west coast, and the water is a lot more saltier compared to the Baltic Sea, because this is basically on the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So this is on the stretch called Kattegat that connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Baltic Sea, right? So yeah, it is very salty, or a lot more saltier than Stockholm, because in Stockholm the sea is a bit more sweet. It's a mixture of salt and sweet, to be fair. Yes, this is the jumping board that I have already jumped from, and it's very bouncy. Look at that, bounce, bounce. And maybe I can jump also from that platform over there later, because it is so amazing. Look at that, look at the scenery. It's absolutely beautiful. I have a soft spot for this type of rocky beaches. I don't know. I mean, I do love sandy beaches, but this one have a better feeling, natural feeling, for me at least. All right, then I am preparing for the second jump here on this beach, because I jumped earlier at Nordreviken as well. So Nordreviken, Gothenburg, 31st of May 2024. Let's go! It's amazing how I'm so happy right now that I'm in my natural habitat. I think that I have been some sea creature in my past life, because I don't know anyone that loves swimming as much as I do. And maybe I am on the top 1% of the people in the world that does most swimming and spend most of their lives in the water. I'm very sure about that. Anyway, let's now explore also the jetty that is loading. Obviously here it is very deep, that's why I'm swimming, as you can see. But okay, let's try out also the jumping board, the highest one this time. Well, is it 3 meters? Maybe. No, it's more than 3 meters. We shall see. Maybe 5. But it was stunning. Indeed. Okay, let's then jump also from the highest one, and then we can start to wrap up the episode. Alright, this is starting to get a little bit scary, but why not? This is Beach Adventures with Chris. We are exploring different beaches around the world, and right now it's in Gothenburg. Let's see. I can also see the other beach behind those rocks over there. Alright, are we ready? This is very high and scary, but let's go! Woohoo! It was a bit scary going down, but it wasn't my first time. In Bergen I did a jump from 10 meters, and that was so scary. I was so almost close to death over there. Can be completely honest. But yeah, this was nice. 3 or 5 meters? I don't really know. Maybe 5. Let's leave it at that. Cool. Thanks so much for watching this episode from this beautiful beach in Gothenburg, west coast of Sweden, Nordreviken. And see you soon again with another Beach Adventures. Please.